Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jency and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Happy Tuesday. Today we're gonna be cash stuffing $120. Guys, I finally went to do my oil change. I did use that coupon. So excited. Let me count first the money. We have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, and 15, 115, ooh, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 120 for today. I hope you guys had a lovely Monday. So let's go ahead and get started in cash stuff. I did close my little mini binder for mini Monday and freebie Fridays. And oh my gosh, it is screaming for its life. Alright guys, so this video will be a little bit chatty. I want to update you guys on what happened. Okay, first thing first, I'm only going to add $20 for rent. I do have 2 more weeks until this month's end, so I believe I do have time for the rent to complete it for $500 if I'm not mistaken. By the way guys, I know I see people doing this. Oh my gosh, every time I see that, I mean, I don't mind you guys doing that, right? I love watching people. But every time when you guys do that, I freak out. I feel like they're going to break or something. I don't know. I freak out. I know it's so weird, right? But I do freak out when you guys do that to y'all's binder. Then again, I'm not a professional, so I don't know how that works. But $20. But I freak out. Is it just me or anyone else does that? Please let me know. 20, 30, 40, 60, 80. I mean, no. I can't count. 100. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, another 100. So that's 200. 280. So 280. We have 2 more weeks to complete this for rent. So yeah. Okay. So chit chatty video. Okay. So I hope you like that. Let me fill you guys into what happened. Okay, so I went in, I used my coupon. So after tax and everything, my coupon for my oil came down to $72.14. And let me tell you, I jumped because I was like, yes. And I added $40 more on Monday on my envelope for my oil change, right? Okay, which was right here. I added $40 more, so I have 110 and 20. So I have 120, and out of those 120, I have to take away $72 because those cents, it's okay, right? Here's what comes down to. So for about a few months ago, my car has been taking a while sometimes to turn on, like, and then it turns on. It doesn't make that sound, but it goes and then it turns on. I have a 2022 Honda Pilot. We bought it brand new at the dealership. And well, when the guy was like, let me walk you out so you can go home and you know you're good to go. It only took like an hour and a half for them to do it. Yeah. So once I went in and turned on push button for my car, the car did that. It took a while for it to turn on, like, and it turned on. And he was like, whoa, that doesn't sound good. Does it usually do that? And I was like, yeah, it does that here and there. I'm like, my husband and I have been thinking about it, but, you know, we don't really pay attention to it. I'm like, there's been maybe a few times, if I can count, maybe like 5 times in those few months that sometimes it doesn't want to turn on or it takes a while. But, you know, we've been busy. We don't think about it. He's like, oh, no, let me go get my technician. All right, guys. So here I have $40. So this $40 here, I'm going to use it for this. So we're going to change things around. Okay. So this is when it comes to having an emergency fund, but your girl doesn't have one. One, because I never really care about it. I'll be honest with you. I was spending careless and without thinking. And until this year, I fully have committed to doing better with my financial situation. Okay, let me take a thumbnail. Hold on. All right, thumbnail. Okay, And so we're going to add 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Wait, yes or no? Oh, no, I don't remember. Now we have to count the money. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 200, right? Which will have 200 now. I don't know. I'm sorry. That's 100. Yeah, that's 90. So we need 10 more. Oops. Oh, well. We're going to add 10 more. That was my error for talking. This is what happened when you talk too much. So let me recount again. 100. Yes. So 200. Okay. So he was like, let me get my technician, and he went and got his technician. Well, what comes down to the battery still says good, but he's like, you need your battery change. This is the reason why it's happening. So I'm like, hold on, let me call my husband, let me tell him. So I call Alex. I told him the situation, and he's like, well, make sure that this is going to fix the situation or the issue, because this battery was, after everything, it came down to 310 or 318. I have to check my invoice. And so I told Alex, I was like, oh shit, this is a lot of money unexpectedly. I'm like, I came here to do an oil change, thinking also I was going to do my filter, but they forgot about the filter. They were like, screw the filter. They didn't even tell me about the filter. So I was like, oh no. And I hear Alex coming up. And so I was like, oh no, not good. And so I have decided that this money here, when I complete this challenge, I'm going to pay my 300 and whatever it was. I think it was like 310 or 318 for my battery, instead of throwing it towards my debt, which I did put it on my credit card. So I have like 3 weeks to pay it for no interest. But still, I'm not trying to go through weeks. I'm trying to do it under 2 weeks or so, or whatever, right? So there's that. So this is not going to be going towards my debt anymore. And I was like, okay then, it is what it is. So we did replace it, and we turned it on because we went out. We turned it on, and I told Alex, I don't know if it makes a difference or maybe it's just me. And so Alex went in and turned it on. He was like, oh yes, girl, it sounds like good. Like you push it, boom, it starts. I was like, okay, I just needed a second opinion on that. So there's that. I'm like, oh my goodness. So no filter on the car. Maybe next time I get the filter done. Because the person that checked me out, he was new. So I don't think he looked any of the notes in the computer that I needed that for next time or whatever. So I was like, okay, at least that's okay. All right, we're going to go ahead and do $10 and a 5. We're trying to finish this fast. So we're going to do $15 for this one. $15. I know I have a priority on this challenge here, but it has to wait. I still have a little bit of time, so it will wait on that one. So this one right here is adding $15, and we're getting close for 150, which we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. 6 left, okay? So there is that. And I was like, oh my gosh, I was so excited that I had some money left over for my 120. And yeah. Oh, well, it is what it is. Okay, so this one, we're going to leave it here because, you know, whatever. Let me add $5 on this one here, which is the Happy Fun Mail. You know, I was thinking that I was going to withdraw the money from this envelope for what I spent on SavSave, Winnie the Pooh binder, and scratch off. So I think I'm going to do that, you guys. I'm almost close finishing it up, but I believe I will withdraw that. And I placed the order 2 times because, you know, her stuff sells out fast. So if you watch my video, I told you guys that I had to place an order 2 times because I didn't want to miss out. So it added up to I think after shipping for both of them and stuff like that, I think it was like $90 some. So I think I'm gonna withdraw those $90 some from this Happy Mail fund for this year. Yeah, I can't get that out of my budget like that. So I think I'm gonna do that. Let me do my birthday, because I know my birthday be coming up soon. Not really, but you know, you never know. So let me do my birthday for $9. Okay, $9. This one will save me 120. Okay, so we have a 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, I will probably do a condensing video soon, because they're adding up really quick for all the envelopes. So we have 6 left to complete it, so I'm excited. I may do it 2 times because I want to have a little bit extra. I may do it 2 times. I don't know. Okay, because I really want to do that one, so I had to do that one ahead of time. All right, let's do this one right here. This one right here will save me $50. Oh my goodness. Oh, I have another story to tell you guys. I have another story to tell you. I know. Okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, number 7. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I be posting videos of me or pictures of me, like for my pants, for work and stuff like that. So this one, I believe it's a 7. I think it's a 7. So 5. Let's condense. Let's condense. Okay. Who has a lot of ones? Who has a lot of ones? Ooh. Hold on. I think the kiddos may have some. Or this one. No, let's do this one. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. There we go. Put this 5 back. All right. So, I love writing with colorful pens at work and stuff like that. Well, a customer stole my pen. Yes. Girl, what? I was so pissed off. Literally. 5, 6, and 7. So we're adding a 7 on this one. I was so pissed off, you guys. And the thing is, it was a Papermate, I think it's Papermate pens. It's like the colorful packs. Let me actually go and find it. So Alex is here. He's like, let me see you do the video. Okay. So this is the Papermate pens. And so I got in 2 aisles, right? You know, those are pricey. And so there was 2 pens here that I got out. One was like a darker purple and one was like a lilac color or lavender. Well, that piece of caca took my dark purple one. She left me a tip of $5 and took the pen. And I didn't realize that she took my pen. And so I went in to check my table. Like after a minute, she had left with her husband. And when I tell you, she was bougie and maybe had money. But then again, you know, whatever you look at the people outside doesn't mean it's what they reflect themselves on. I don't know how to tell you. So she had a huge Louis Vuitton Speedy, a very huge ring, a rock on her ring. Like, I mean, it was huge. I mean, you name it. You could tell she was bougie and had money. Okay? And when I saw she stole my pen, I go outside to see if I see her. And the coworker were like, girl, you're really going to go outside and tell her to give you your pen? I was like, hell yeah, I am. Yes, I am. I'm like, that's my pen. I'm like, she that broke that she can't go buy herself some pen, some $13 pen that she has to steal? Like, what? I don't know. I don't know about you, but I was just like, what the heck? That got me fucked up for real. It really did fuck me up. I was so pissed. I'm sorry, but I really was. Like, that got me so irritated, you guys. It got me so irritated because I'm like, are you that broke that you can't go buy yourself some pens? Or sometimes there's just some people that got sticky hands. Sticky freaking hands. That I'm just like, ugh. I was so mad. Believe it or not, I was really mad. And my girlfriends were like, at work, they were laughing. They were like, you're hilarious, girl. Like, you will really do that. I'm like, girl, it was my pen. I was like, I never really give those pens. Those are the pens I use for me to write. And if I run out or sometimes whatever, something happens, I just give them here and there. That pen But yeah, I was so aggravated. I was like, okay. Hubby's printing out something. I don't know what he's trying to print out, but okay. He's just trying to be in the video, in the background, I guess. All right, so this one we're going to do for $10. We have two $10. No, just kidding. 11. Okay, this one is going to be for an $11. So this one right here will save me $100. So hopefully we complete this one as soon as possible. There is two 10s, so I thought I was going on the number 10. Okay, so there's 11 on that one. So yeah, there's my little rant there on that. I know people steal pens and steal stuff. I know I've seen like TikTok video of people like having a collection of stealing like silverware, dipping cups, bowls. I mean, you name it, from like restaurant, from everywhere they go. But pens, I don't know. I just think you're that broke, or you just, there's some people that like, they love stealing. That's their habits. I don't know. Okay. Now I have $3, so Jillian's gonna get $1. Eric is gonna get $1, and Alex is gonna get $1. So yeah. All right. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick fun video. Very chatty, very detailed what shit went down. And yeah, okay. Well, I'll see you guys on Freaky Wednesday. Let's see what happens on Freaky Wednesday. So yeah, so bye guys. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.